Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Telegram not sending verification code. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that your number is correct. So guys, after making sure that your number is correct, then you have to just simply tap on settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And after that guys, if your internet connection is not working properly, then you have to just simply disable your Wi-Fi and connect to a strong network. Now after that guys, simply tap on journal, scroll down, and here tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on. Now after that guys, what we need to do is just simply open App Store and download and install any of the VPN from here. So guys, after this, install any VPN and connect your device to the VPN and try to get a verification code, and after this guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.